Okay, the average yearly Medicare hospital insurance benefit per person is $3,022 in recent year. If the benefits are normally distributed with a standard deviation of 510, find the probability that the mean benefit for random sample 30 patients is more than 3,200. Now, we're talking about many whatevers. In this case, many patients, because we're talking about 30 of them. So, the question first is, are we talking about one whatever, one patient? Or are we talking about many whatevers, or in this example, many patients? We said many patients, so we're going to be using these. Let's write down everything that's given. Let's see. Mean is 30, 22. Standard deviation is 510. N is 30. And we're looking for X is greater than 3,200. The greater than is our second form right here. A is whatever follows our greater than symbol. So A is 3,200. And we're going to plug it into this right here. So that's equal 1 minus norm dist A. A is 3,200, comma. Mean was 3022, comma. Standard deviation 510 divided by the square root of n, which is 30, comma, true. Close parentheses. Change it to percent by moving your decimal point 2 places to the right and then round. And we'll have 2.80 or 2.8%.